Morning, everybody. It's 8:23 on Wednesday, the 22nd, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1333, and I remind everyone to please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay on top of what we put out here. Yesterday we had something on energy, so during the middle of the day. Okay, so here we go. Asia and Europe both lower. They didn't follow through on our rally yesterday, and in fact, we didn't follow through on our rally from yesterday. The futures are pretty hard down. Dow futures down 380, Nasdaq futures down 182, S&P futures down 53 or so. And this morning we had an airline pilot being interviewed, an American airline pilot, saying that the company knows exactly what they're doing. They've oversold all of these flights, and they're blaming it on the pilots' availability, and they are available. But their staffing has become such a mess that they're not getting the right pilots to the right planes, and that basically he wouldn't fly. We're talking about thousands of flights every single week, on the weekends especially. So, at some point in time, people are going to be disgusted with the incredibly long lines and the fact that the airlines have become dramatically unreliable. So, his point is they know it. Also, in the airline side, Boeing says supply chain issues are going to extend into 2023. Toyota cut production by 50,000 units for July. Airbnb gets a downgrade from JMP Securities, 99.20 down 307. Chewy got an upgrade yesterday from Wedbush, and in late trading moved to 31.85, up 315 or 11%. Today it's given back not much, 75 cents. And on the earnings front, we had beats from Winnebago, Lazy Boy, and Corn Ferry. Winnebago 47 up 127, so nothing overwhelming there, although the market, looks poor. Lazy Boy 24.90 up 217, that's 9.6%, and Corn Ferry just up 41 cents at 54 and a quarter. And the Biden administration is talking about a federal tax holiday on gasoline, and that would take, they're saying, 18 cents a gallon off the price. What they don't mention, of course, is that definitely cuts directly into maintenance and infrastructure improvement, because that's where the money comes from. Okay, chart on the screen is the oil, and it is lower this morning, lower by almost $5. Lower by $5, 5.13, almost 5%. It's running right into this rising 100-day moving average. Let's take a look at it on the weekly, get a little better perspective. And is into all of this support. And that support goes all the way down to about, let's call it $98. So while we may be we may be coming down, we're also getting right back into an area of demand. The issue is questionable demand from places like China with the lockdowns, and European countries. Okay, grains got pounded yesterday, down almost the limit, and lower again today. Soybeans were off 30 cents yesterday, they're off another 20 today. Corn was off 30 cents yesterday, off another nickel today. gasoline down 8.5 cents, down 4 cents in heating oil, and the net gas, which got relentlessly pounded all of last week, is down just 6 cents. So it too is getting back into an important area around $6.50, which also happens to coincide with the 38.2% Fed retracements. So maybe we're going to get a little bit of a consolidation there. Gold is basically unchanged, up $1. Silver is down 30 cents. I actually am looking to buy the silver here today. Copper down 13 cents. The softs, we have down $3 in cotton, up $1.60 in the coffee, and lumber was up almost $30 yesterday and had traded 20 higher than that. So it traded at limit up and then came off and closed up 29. That's pretty impressive. Dollar is slightly higher, Bitcoin down 450, Ethereum down 32, and running for safety in the bonds up 1 and 20/30. That's 1 and 5/8 in the real world. Let's just see where we are on the Dow indicators off the TV. Now down 417, S&P down 58 and a quarter, and the NASDAQ still down 188. All right, everyone, be careful out there.